kongresista na kaalyado ng mga NPA, mahiya naman tayo no, sa topic ng pagpatay dahil kayo mismo, hindi kayo nagsasalita sa pagpatay ng NPA sa mga pulis, sundalo at mamayang Pilipino. Sa NPA, nire-recruit ang mga kabataan para pabagsakin ng gobyerno at pumatay ng mga pulis, sundalo at tropa ng gobyerno.
Ano ang sa inyo natamimik?
Salamat, ma'am. You do not know me from Adam.
Successful po ba ang war on drugs ninyo?
Successful, ma'am. Na-minimize yung drugs. You cannot entirely eradicate drugs because pang hanap buhay yan eh.
Nalaman natin meron talagang reward system at merong pinanggagalingan yung pondo para dun sa reward system.
Do not make me account for something which I cannot do legally. That is not allowed by law. You are asking as if you are from the COA. Kailangan mo ng report, so you have to bring the papers. Hindi naman ako COA.
President, you are surrounded by, I believe, 4 lawyers.
Hindi ko na kailangan, ma'am.
Ang angas mo.
Because you are a lawyer
I
yourself.
can take of myself. I can take care of
Yes.
myself. Magtanong na kayo na magtanong, ano? Pag sinabi kong campaign against drug, you do it as a police officer. Nag-aral ka naman ng 2 years basic, sinunod mo lahat, you should follow. Not if you go out of the way, I cannot answer for you.
Where do you draw the line of your responsibility in this war on drugs?
Because guilt is personal. You're a lawyer?
Yes, Mr. President. I will talk slower.
Panyero, you talk slower.
Okay. Mr.
Maybe maganda ka ang English mo, pero fortunately, hindi naiintindihan.